everyone, Car Spotter 2.0 here, and we're back with another unboxing video. Actually, we had 3 unboxing videos to do today. We're gonna start off with one of these. The Pininfarina Battista, a brand new electric supercar by Pininfarina. Now, I did some research today and found a lot of few things. Let me explain. The total price of this car in real life is $2.4 million. Total horsepower is 1,900 horsepower. Zero time is 2 seconds. The same zero time as the Tesla Roadster, the new one. Top speed is 217 miles per hour, like most manual Aventadors. And yeah, this car is beautiful. Oh yeah, one more thing about it. This car has 4 electric motors, while most electric cars only have 2. So, while we're waiting for you, everyone, let's take a closer look at this one and see what this one's about. There we go. It's out of the package. Look at this. I'm actually holding in a brand new supercar from last year. I was just released it. Like how they did with the headlights. Very nice. And the taillights, very nice. And when it does go up, like on most other supercars and hypercars. Like how they did with the wheels. Very nice. As far as alien car, it is very nice. This is myself. Alrighty, guys, that's it. This unboxing video has now come to a close. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.